The French word que, clear explanations. The French word que is used in many different ways. Depending on the context, it can be translated into English as that, which, whom, what, then, how. Its main role is to connect clauses. Main uses of que as a relative pronoun, like that, which, and whom. Que is used to replace a direct object, like a person or a thing receiving the action, in a relative clause to avoid repetition. Very, very important. Que is always followed by a subject or a noun. Subject like je, tu, il, elle, nous, vous, il. In English, that is sometimes optional, but que is always required in French. Examples: J'aime la maison que tu as achetée. I like the house that you bought. C'est l'homme que j'ai vu à la plage. It's the man whom I saw at the beach. Before we continue, subscribe to the channel and like the video if this lesson has helped you so far. Second use of que. Que as a conjunction. Que is used to introduce a subordinate clause, especially after verbs expressing opinion, thought, belief, and hope. Examples: Je pense qu'il a raison. I think that he is right. Nous espérons que tu seras là. We hope that you will be there. Third use of que as an interrogative pronoun or what. Que is used to ask questions about a thing. It can appear in formal questions or in the common structure like qu'est-ce que. Examples: Que veux-tu? What do you want? It's a formal form. Qu'est-ce que tu regardes? What are you watching? And the fourth type, que in comparison, like than and as. Que connects the two elements being compared. Example: Il parle plus vite que moi. Il parle plus vite que moi. He speaks faster than me. Fifth usage of que. Que in exclamations, like how. Que can express surprise, emotion. Example: Que cette femme est belle. How beautiful that woman is. Important spelling. Que becomes que apostrophe before a vowel or a silent h, like qu'il, quel, qu'on. Summary: Que connects clauses, meaning that, which, whom, what, then, how. In English, that is sometimes optional. In French, que is not. I hope this video helped you understand que in French. Don't forget to subscribe for future lessons. Have a wonderful day. Ciao.